Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing traditional Til Ke Laddu, rich in sesame flavor and perfect for winter or festive days. Take 1 cup sesame seeds in a pan. And roast on low heat for 1 minute, stirring continuously. Sesame seeds generated body warmth naturally. Til Laddu is a traditional winter sweet. Now keep aside and cool down completely. Separate 3 tablespoons sesame seeds and keep aside. Add 3 tablespoons desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon peanut, blend in pulse the separated sesame seeds. Blend only lightly to keep texture. In a pan, add 3/4 cup grated jaggery, (3 tablespoons water, keep stirring until the jaggery melts completely. Jaggery enhances flavor and aroma. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder and 2 teaspoon ghee. Cardamom improves digestion and taste. Mix well. Add the prepared sesame mixture and stir continuously. Cook until the mixture separates from the pan. Grease oil in a plate. And transfer the mixture. Sesame seeds are rich in calcium and iron. Jaggery is healthier than refined sugar. Good for winter nutrition. Provides instant energy. Cool down for 5 to 6 minutes. Take small portion and shape into laddus. Shape laddus while mixture is warm. Grease hands to avoid sticking. Your Til Ke Laddu is soft, aromatic and perfectly balanced in sweetness. Enjoy it as a winter snack or festive treat. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more traditional sweets.